Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make those tough purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown between the Pocket Rocket, the Holy Stone HS430, and the high-flying heavyweight, the Holy Stone HS360S. Let's dive in and see which drone will take your aerial adventures to the next level. Alright folks, let's start with the price. The HS430 is like that cheap and cheerful friend who always knows how to have a good time without breaking the bank. At just $77, it's practically a steal. On the other hand, the HS360S is the bougie cousin who insists on avocado toast every morning, coming in at a whopping $209. That's right, folks. For the price of the HS360S, you could almost get 3 HS430s and still have change for a latte. Next up, camera quality. The HS430 offers a decent 1080p camera. It's like the potato vision of the drone world, but hey, it gets the job done. Perfect for those Instagram shots of your dog pretending to be majestic. Now, the HS360S? Oh boy, it's packing a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio in the sky. Your selfies just got a serious upgrade, my friend. Reviewers love the HS360S for its detailed imaging capabilities, which have exceeded expectations, especially for professional uses like real estate photography and solar array inspections. Let's talk flight time. The HS430 gives you nearly half an hour with its 2 modular LiPo batteries. That's enough time to fly around and still make it back for dinner. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, mentioning it's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. The HS360S, though, it's got a powerful modular battery that supports 20 minutes of flight. Some reviewers noted that while the flight time is shorter, the stability and quality make up for it. So it's a bit like running out of gas right when the movie gets exciting. But hey, quality over quantity, right? Portability is key, especially if you're always on the move. The HS430 is so compact, it could probably fit in your pocket if your pockets were designed by Mary Poppins. It's ultra-portable and perfect for spontaneous adventures. Reviewers love its lightweight and quiet build, making it an ideal travel companion. The HS360S, while not exactly a brick, is less than 250 grams. It's light enough to avoid FAA registration, but you might need a small bag to carry it around. Reviewers appreciate the included protective bag, noting it makes transport easy and safe. Now for the fun stuff, features and functions. The HS430 is like that overachiever in high school with a resume longer than your grocery list. It's got high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, and even a throw-to-go feature. You can literally toss it in the air and it starts flying. It's like drone magic. Reviewers say it's versatile and fun, perfect for tricks. The HS360S, on the other hand, is the sophisticated older sibling. It has intelligent recording modes like Spiral Up, Catapult, and One-Tap Ascension. Plus, with Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest, it's like having your personal drone butler. Fancy, huh? Reviewers find these features particularly useful for professional applications and advanced photography. Last but not least, user-friendliness. The HS430 is beginner-friendly with headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch, making it as easy as pie to fly. Perfect for kids, adults, and those who just can't adult today. Reviewers praise its intuitive controls and ease of use, especially for first-time drone users. The HS360S? It's got a beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help you practice those pro moves. It's like having a drone coach without the yelling. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly interface and easy setup, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone HS430 to be an affordable, fun, and beginner-friendly option with decent camera quality and extended flight time. On the other hand, the Holystone HS360S is praised for its advanced features, high-quality camera, and user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun-packed mini drone or a high-end, feature-rich aerial beast, Holystone has you covered. Let us know in the comments which drone wins your heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart, and keep those drones in the sky.